Good morning, James.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Reading the newspaper.
Well, that's very clever. I can't see you because you're hiding behind it. You're going to say good morning to everybody.
Good morning.
Put the paper down. What would you like for your breakfast this morning?
Nice. I'm strengthening.
Something nice and what? Strengthening. And what would you like?
Water.
Water?
Yes.
Just water? That's not very much, is it?
Water and toast.
Water and toast.
Yes.
And what would you like on your toast? Jam or just butter?
Butter jam.
Butter and jam. Alright. Now, what's the matter with your eye? Is something in your eye?
Yeah.
What? Sand?
Yes.
Let me see.
Do you see it?
I think your eyes are alright now.
Yes.
The Sandman being...
Yeah. Why does she come every day?
every night
Why?
to put sand in your eyes.
Why?
He likes doing that.
For you can sleep better.
Yeah.
I bet he's not very good, Daddy.
Why not?
Because...
No, we must go. So we're going to have our breakfast. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. What to say goodbye?